Don't sweat it, Chowder. Being out isn't so bad. Mother calls me out all the time.
I don't want to play anymore. Gorgonzola is mean to me. Panini keeps kissing me. There's nothing to eat. I just want to go home.
Chowder, everyone who steps up to bat wants to get to home base. That's the whole point of the game.
There's a base at home? How do I get there? How do I get to the home base?
All you gotta do is whack the snot out of the ball, run around all the bases, and get back here without getting tagged. Then, ha-ha, you're home.
Home.
Home free. So next time you're up to bat, you can give it a go.
I'm going home now.
Or going home now is also fine.
It's my turn.
I'm going home. You're going down.
It's the singer! It's a hit! Run, boy, run!
Don't be excited, big boy. This is only first base. You still have 12 more to go. Then I'm gonna need a little help from my friends.